Or season 4.
Wanna start?
Dang, that's good skin.
Yes.
Wait, that's the hand cannon.
Anyway, smart one.
My friend has made your
Predicament clear?
yes.
I have a problem. You fix it.
You don't end up like your colleagues. The jump seat constellation is broadcasting on frequencies I need cleared. You are going to deorbit them.
Yes.
Ground fall will occur at the coordinates you have in front of you.
It's done.
Good. So are we.
With Perseus, standard operating procedure goes out the window, son.
Well, did we get the data recorder?
No. Must have been destroyed on re-entry. You don't get the war we're fighting, do you? Stitch is capable of anything.
What is this battle pass here? So once you get in, you get Jackal. Yeah, tomorrow I'm definitely getting this. It's the AMP63. Alright. Wait, that's a type? Yeah, sick. This is XM4. QBZ. No, the C58. I think this thing's gonna be decent. Og. Spaz. Wolverog. Ooh. That's just pretty cool. Let's add it. Alright. I don't know why anyone would care about the KSP. Craig. With now that was, yeah, that was good. Yeah. I thought that the Momano got a big buff in Milano. That's Mac 10. Ooh, that was sick. 74. That's some bad attachments. Let me see this. Ooh, Alex, sick. What's this, the blueprint for it? Yeah. So, don't tell me that the large mech is 30 rounds. You are kidding me. A bundle for it? Yeah, it's in the special, right? Yeah, you get a nail gun. Alright, I'm just using Craig. Wait, do they have hijack? Here. Alright. So, I'm gonna hop into a game of hijack and let's see how it goes. Okay. This is Hijacked. I remember this map from Black Ops 2. Yeah, from Black Ops 2. I remember this map.
We're in the lead.
These pistols are just crap. Ooh! Dang! These pistols will burn. What's on here? What the heck am I? I don't know what this is. That's cool, I guess. I just had a big flank. Oh, I had to reload, god dang it. Nah. So yeah, Hijacked was one of my favorite maps, I would say. Wait, that new MG82 is supposed to be like broken in Warzone because it probably has no recoil. What am I aiming at? Wait, that tier 1 operator for Jackal actually looks really sick. I'm probably using that for the whole season. That or the other Rainbow Ultra skin. Sounds also really cool. Okay. Good kill. Wait, did I just get... Yeah, I just got killed by the new LMG. Yo, these pistols are nice. I guess I can't hop up there. Dang, these things are good. Where the heck is this guy? I'm on a 4. No. Oh, come on. Are you kidding? Dang. These things are good. Uh-oh. I'm being beamed. Yeah, I guess you can't... Wait, can you prone? For some reason I just couldn't prone. Find you, buddy. I'm dead. Oh. Oh, I surrendered. Oh, everything I just had.
Your field light has been destroyed.
Come on. Okay, yeah, these things are just too good. Huh? No. Anyone wanna die? You're dead. You're dead. Anyone up here? Anyone want to die today? Do you want to die? Yes, you want to die because you're dead. Anyone else want to die? Why am I so cutting so much? Anyone else want to die? I will physically kill you. Okay, war machine time. Boop, boop. No. Come on! There's an 11 there. It's not too bad.
Sit rep, napalm strike inbound.
Damn, nice shooting and still being nice. No. Nope. I do not want to. You want to die today? God dang, he stole my kill.
Enemy spy plane.
Nail gun? No. Okay, bad. Nail gun. Ooh, dang.
That call. Hostile chopper gunner operating.
Bye-bye.
This is it.
Yeah, I need to buy a bundle for this. This thing is good. Nah. No.
You made that look easy. Bravo Zulu.
I'm coming to get you.
No. Yeah, those are the new pistols, I guess you would call them. Yeah, well, they are the new ones. That's hijacked. What's that link? Didn't they add the new map? Or what's it called? The other one? Whatever. Yeah, these are the new pistols. In my opinion, they're probably the best pistols in the game. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Peace!